What if Earth suddenly stopped spinning? Right now. It sounds impossible, but if it happened, the results would be catastrophic. Right now, Earth spins at over 1,600 kilometers per hour at the equator. That's faster than a jet plane. But if it stopped instantly, everything not nailed to the ground would keep moving at that speed. Cars, buildings, even entire oceans would go flying eastward. Winds stronger than any hurricane would rip across the planet. Cities would be leveled in seconds, but that's just the beginning. Without rotation, one side of Earth would face the sun permanently. That half would become a burning desert, while the other half would freeze in eternal darkness. Oceans would shift, flooding entire continents. Gravity would slightly change, and our day would no longer be 24 hours, but 1 full year. 6 months of scorching heat, 6 months of endless night. And what about our magnetic field? Without Earth's spinning core, it would collapse. Radiation from space would bombard us, making the surface unlivable. So yes, if Earth stopped spinning, life as we know it would be gone. Imagine stepping outside, and the ground beneath you suddenly stops. In a split second, everything is thrown forward at jet speed. No one would survive the first moments. So, be thankful for Earth's steady spin. But here's another question. What if the moon suddenly disappeared from the sky? The answer might surprise you.